Hello coders, welcome to today's lesson on HTML and CSS. I am Abdul Kafi and I'll be guiding you through this tutorial. In this lesson, we'll cover the basics of HTML and CSS and build a simple web page. HTML defines the structure and content of a web page, while CSS controls the visuals, the basic layout of a page. By the end of this lesson, you understand how to utilize HTML and CSS to build a basic web page. So without further ado, let's start now. First of all, you need to set up your folder, your project directory, and also create an index file in your directory like mine right here. So now what you're gonna do now, I'm just gonna write in some h1 elements. I'm just gonna say welcome to my world, like so, to my world. Wow. So after that, open it up in your browser like this. Wow, I'm just going to make it larger. Wow. So this is the initial setup for HTML. So let us write some HTML elements and write in some stuff. Today is the best day ever. So you can just write anything. You can make use of emoji like so. You can use any emoji you prefer. So you can use emoji like that. So after saving it, just refresh in your browser. So what we're gonna do right now is to create an index file. A cascading style sheet file. So to create a CSS file, CSS is a cascading style sheet, so it is used to beautify an HTML document. So to do that, we need some element to carry that out. So we have three types of CSS. So we have inline CSS, we have internal CSS, and external CSS, and you see that in action right now. So let us do that. We start by making use of the style attributes. So the style attribute is inline CSS for styling HTML elements. So we use the style attribute. I'm just gonna utilize the font. I've been size property. I'm just gonna say 400 px, like so. So let me cancel this, refresh, say 400. I think it's too larger than normal. Let me just say 300 pixel, too large, 200 pixel. So you can put any font size, you can add any font you would wish. So the first aspect of CSS is we have the inline CSS. So the inline CSS makes use of the style attributes, and the style attribute you extend to make use of the style attribute, you need to extend the inner part of HTML element, like so. Let me do the same for this thing. I'm just gonna say color red, like so. So let me just refresh. You see the color changes from black to red, like that. So in the next video, I'll show you how you can use the internal CSS. I hope you like this video. I hope it works very well for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.